Now the recipe is available in 138 languages. Turn on the caption, CC, for the same. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Papdi Preparation. Half cup all-purpose flour. Half teaspoon carom seeds. Half teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon warm oil. Mix well. Crumbled texture. Water as required. Knead the dough. Keep for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Some dry flour. Roll into big flat bread. Prick it with fork. Cut into round shape. Deep fry. Flip the side. Fry until golden and crispy. Drain the excess oil. Curd sauce preparation. 3 tablespoon curd. 1/4 teaspoon black salt. Half teaspoon crushed cumin. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Assembling. Arrange the papdi in the plate. 3 boiled and mashed potatoes. Pinch of salt. Pinch of cat masala. Pinch of chili flakes. Pinch of crushed cumin. Green sauce, recipe in the description box. Tamarind sauce, recipe in the description box. Finely chopped tomato. Finely chopped onion. Curd sauce. Nylon Sev, available in Indian store. Pomegranate. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.